It's a film set in 1989. The base location is a remote village in Sri Lanka, in the eastern part. So this is a story about a mother. She has 8 kids and her mother-in-law. So this is after her husband killed by a paramilitary group. This is her journey. This is her heroic journey to take care of her kids and what she doing for her family and what she is sacrificed for her kids. This is a story about a mother.
අපි අම්මා බලන්න යන්කෝ.
This project I developed at Cine Foundation residence of Cannes Film Festival. So I was in Paris. So there I wrote the script, and then I went to Jerusalem International Film Lab in Israel, so where I developed the script. So after that, with my producers in France, so we got funds from Doha Film Institute, and then we finished the shooting, and then we got some funds from Hubert Ball Funds and CNC in France. So, and I finished the post-production in France with the Film Factory team. Oh, I don't have to tell anything to audience actually. I think as a filmmaker, it's not my duty. That my duty is making films that what I want to make. Right? So then I have made a film. Now it's their responsibility to watch the film and to criticize the film or reject the film. It's not my duty anymore. Right? So therefore I am sorry, I don't have to tell anything to audience.